All business starts and ends with creating value. I can argue that the biggest challenge facing IoT today is not security, and it's not standards or interoperability. The biggest challenge in IoT is creating enough value so that the IoT product is profitable. Consumer IoT exemplifies this challenge, and I call it the 10x curse. A traditional thermostat, $17. A smart thermostat, $170. A traditional lock, $10. A connected lock, $100. A traditional doorbell, $15. A connected doorbell, $150. Connected or smart doesn't necessarily equal value. Just because a product can be connected doesn't mean it should be connected. Are these smart and/or connected products worth 10 times the cost of the traditional counterparts? Using crowdfunding, there will always be early adopters for products like these, but to reach real sales, the incremental value created must be greater than the incremental cost incurred. And for the customer, the incremental value must be greater than the incremental price. Whether looking at examples in consumer IoT or commercial IoT, industrial IoT, or infrastructure IoT, most connected products fail because the incremental value generated by them is less than the incremental price the customer is willing to pay. In this chapter, the IoT value creation framework is applied to focus on this fundamental and critical problem, and that is creating enough value with an IoT product, system, or environment to make it profitable.